Hey kids, let us do some exercise from Chapter 9, Data Handling. Kids, let us count the shapes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 triangles and 1, 2, 2 squares. Okay, kids. Now let us name the shapes that occur the most.
16 triangles.
Let us name the shapes that occur the least. 2 squares occur the least.